Hello everyone! Today we are making something that is the absolute definition of easy elegance. Just picture it, these beautiful, succulent shrimp swimming in a totally luscious, creamy garlic and oregano sauce, all tossed together with your favorite pasta. It seriously looks like something you'd get at a fancy restaurant, but guess what? You're gonna make it right in your own kitchen. And you know what the best part is? This entire gorgeous, decadent meal, it's on your table in just 20 minutes. No kidding. It is the perfect answer for those busy weeknights when you want something that feels really special, but you just don't have the time.
I'm so happy you're here with me at the Asian Food Diary to cook up this fantastic dish. So are you ready? Let's get started.
Okay, first things first, let's get everything we'll need. And you're going to be amazed at how just a handful of really simple, fresh ingredients can come together to create such an incredible flavor. So for our flavor foundation, we've got about 300 grams of pasta, 150 grams of shrimp, and 4 nice big cloves of garlic. Then for that dreamy herbaceous sauce, we're going to use just a little bit of cream, some fresh oregano, and that salty Parmesan cheese. And then with our basics like pepper, salt, and oil, that's it. That's the whole list. Simple, right? So our very first step is to create the perfect canvas for that beautiful creamy sauce. Let's get that pasta cooked just right. In a big pot, you're going to bring about 5 cups of nicely salted water to a good rolling boil. Then you'll add your pasta and cook it until it's al dente. You know, where it still has a little bit of a firm bite to it. Once it's there, drain it, but please, whatever you do, do not rinse it. That starchy coating on the pasta is basically liquid gold for our sauce, and you'll see why in just a minute. And this right here, this is the most important tip I can give you today. Before you drain that pasta, make sure you save about 1 cup of that cloudy, starchy water. This is our secret weapon, I'm telling you. It's the absolute key to getting an unbelievably silky sauce. Trust me on this. With our pasta all set, let's move on to the star of our show. It is time to give those beautiful shrimp a really perfect sear. Get your pan nice and hot with just a little oil. You really want to hear that satisfying sizzle the second you lay those shrimp down. They only need about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, just until they turn that gorgeous, bright shade of pink. Now the trick here is high heat for a very short amount of time. This quick sear is what locks in all that amazing moisture, and it's what gives you those incredibly plump, tender shrimp instead of, tough or rubbery ones. Just remember, overcooking is the #1 enemy of perfect shrimp. All right, our pasta is cooked, the shrimp are perfectly seared. Now it is time to bring it all together and create that luxurious, creamy sauce where all the magic really happens. In that very same pan, add a tiny bit more oil and your sliced garlic. You just let that cook for a moment until you can smell that amazing, fragrant aroma just filling up your whole kitchen. Then go ahead and add your cooked pasta right in there, along with a generous crack of black pepper, and just give it all a good toss. Okay, are you ready for that pro tip we were talking about? How do we take this simple pan of pasta and garlic and turn it into something truly special, something restaurant quality? And here is that magic in action. As you slowly stream in that pasta water you saved, the starches in it start to mix with the oil in the pan. This is what creates that creamy, glossy sauce that clings to every single noodle, and it does it all without being heavy or greasy. It's amazing. So once your sauce has thickened up just a little bit, it is time for the reunion. Gently fold in those perfectly seared shrimp and your fresh, fragrant oregano. Oh my gosh, just look at how beautifully that's all coming together. And just like that, we are at the finish line. All that work is about to pay off as we plate up this absolutely incredible meal. And here we have it, the perfect bowl of comfort food. It's creamy, it's garlicky, it is just packed with flavor. And the best part is knowing you made this delicious masterpiece yourself in just a matter of minutes. And for the final decadent touches, we'll stir in that spoonful of cream for extra richness, and then finish it with a really generous sprinkle of salty Parmesan cheese right over the top. It just melts into the warm pasta and brings everything together absolutely perfectly. And there you have it, a beautiful, creamy garlic shrimp pasta. If you enjoyed making this with me today, please give this a like and subscribe to the Asian Food Diary for more simple and delicious recipes. I can't wait to cook with you again next time. Bye!